Hi, my name is Richard Roboto, and I'm a 6th grade teacher at Sierra Middle School. And this is my video showing you how I use the smartboard and the smart software technology in my classroom every day. So I'd like to start off with one of my favorite ways to use the smart software, and it's one of my students' favorite way to use the software as well, and that's to create games. So what I have here is Sierra Land. As I said, I work at Sierra Middle School, and our mascot is the Spartans. So when I make my games, what I do is I link questions to different icons. And when we play the game, what I do is split the kids into two different teams, and we take these questions, drag them to an area, and when you press the question, it's linked. So now I'd give the students some time to solve this. You can see I have the timer here that actually comes from all the built-in features here with smart technology. When the time is up, they come up, write their answer down, move Sparty out of the way, and it reveals the correct answer. And if they get it right, they'll click here, and they get to use these interactive number cubes that are also part of these software, smartboard software. One. And then they'd go to the game board, and depending on what team they're on, the green team or the white team, they would move their Spartan down the game board. We click back on the number cube, and we go back to our questions. So there's one way that I use it, and that's in games, and we'll use that for review at the end of chapters. But I primarily use the software for my daily lessons. I teach math and science and ELD, and I do use the smartboard and smart software for all of those subjects, but primarily it is used for math. And what I actually do is I use the print feature, and I print out the slideshow as slides for my students, so they actually have a copy of the same notes that I'm presenting to them on the smartboard. And we love the smart software because we're able to attach sounds to all of our different notes and things of that nature. All I can do is write up, maybe write this down, take a little note. So that's become pretty customary in my classroom when I want my students to write something down. Now what's been really great in this particular chapter is we have these tools that are built into the smartboard software. You see here I'm asking the students to use a protractor to measure these different angles, and I can actually use my interactive flash-based protractor here to measure the angles along with them. So that's something that's been great. And then what we normally do at the end of the lessons is we'll have some words of wisdom and lessons learned. This is where the kids get to come up to the smartboard, write down something that they learned in that lesson, and then I'm able to embed these flash videos from their favorite cartoons. We play the cartoon, and it's kind of an incentive to get them to come up and share what they learned with me that day. Another feature that I love is I can directly attach the assignments that they'll be doing in class that day. So here there's a practice assignment out of their math book. I can link it directly to this notes presentation, and then here it comes right up there on the smartboard, the same assignment that they're doing in class. So whatever they're doing in their workbook will be reflected on the smartboard, and I can do it along with them if they have any questions. So those are just a few of the ways that I use smartboard technology in my classroom. At this point, it's become almost a necessity because we love using it that much. So I thank you for your time for watching this video, and I hope you keep me in mind as a smartboard exemplary teacher. Thank you.